Hi, my name is Shalini Rattan, and I'm very happy to be here on Grazia today. And I'm really going to talk about 5 different things that I personally like and I enjoy making with the gelatos that I make. This one that we are doing here is with a traditional vanilla, topped with a shot of espresso. We've laced the inner layer of the croissant with almond praline, and then put a scoop of Belgian chocolate, topped it with some nice crumbles and almond, and topped it with a yummy chocolate sauce. We've taken 50 ml of milk with 2 scoops of gelato and churned it thoroughly. And we've topped it again with some chocolate and some whipping cream. We sandwiched the strawberry cheesecake inside 2 crusty shortbread cookies, and we've given it a nice topping of white chocolate along with some dark chocolate and some nuts topped on it to make it one of the most delicious things that one can use with a gelato. What is the difference between a gelato and an ice cream? In a layman's language, gelato is healthy ice cream. Firstly, it has very low fat content as compared to an ice cream which has close to 20% cream. Gelatos only use about 7% cream, so the fat content is much lower, making it much more healthier. Also, gelatos only use pure ingredients. So if it's a chocolate base, then it's made using pure Kavacha chocolates. If it's a nut based, it's made using a pure nut. It could be a pistachio, it could be a hazelnut, it could be even a ground nut when we make Snickers. But the nuts are pure nuts. There are no artificial colors, there are no artificial flavorings, there is no artificial synthesizer. The product that we use to bind the molecules of water and cream together is guar gum. It's actually, it's a natural product from the bhaji that we get, guar. It is sent to Italy, processed there, comes back to us as guar gum and then used for processing gelatos.